afternoon. The lesson I'm teaching today is about model talk. This is a strategy for English language learners, ELL students. The idea behind it is that ELL students throughout the courses of the progression need more visual aids to help set ideas in their mind. So if you're teaching a concept, it's beneficial to have a visual aid, which I will draw up in a second, or like gestures that you always use to explain one thing. For example, in math, which is what my specific teaching is, I would use something for derivatives. So I'd write derivatives. And when taking a derivative, you take the power and you move it down. And so that's minus 1. So I call that slap down. So for example, I'd be like, okay, we're taking derivatives, so you've got to remember to do what? Just slap down the power. The exponent that comes in the front, it slaps down. And so by doing that and repeating what I'm saying and using this motion, it'll help set in the student's mind the idea behind derivatives. I'll have a verbal clue, slap down. I'll have a visual aid, my hand doing this, and I'll be teaching something on the board. So the student will hear what I'm saying, and even if they don't understand the language perfectly, they'll see the gesture. By seeing the gesture, it'll help cement the idea of moving the exponent to the front of a number when taking derivatives. So by using the gesticulations or visual clues such as this, if you could like create a poster of this and hang it on the wall so it's always there. So then like, for example, I'll just write like, slap down, right? And so when I go like, slap down, then they see my hand, they can look at the board, they find it, they can visually see it happening, and then they can make the connection in their head to make sure they do the derivative correctly. So this is an example of model talk, which is a useful tool and option for ELL instruction, and I hope to use it. So, afternoon over.